Have you ever wondered if there are natural remedies for cancer? This question has sparked countless conversations, studies, and debates, leading us to the intriguing realm of herbal remedies. For centuries, humans have harnessed the power of plants to address a myriad of health conditions. From the potent curcumin in turmeric to the immune-enhancing properties of certain mushrooms, herbs have held a significant place in traditional medicine around the globe. But when it comes to cancer, their efficacy is still a hot topic within the medical community. While some studies indicate potential benefits, others call for caution, emphasizing the importance of using these remedies as complementary therapies, not replacements for conventional medical treatment. It's a delicate balance, requiring knowledge, discernment, and professional guidance to navigate. So buckle up as we journey into the fascinating world of herbal remedies and their potential in the fight against cancer. Let's delve into the world of herbs and their potential cancer-fighting properties. Several herbs have been researched for their potential anti-cancer properties. Let's delve into some of these herbs and their potential benefits. First on our list is turmeric. This golden spice is rich in curcumin, a compound that has shown anti-cancer properties in laboratory studies. It may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and prevent their spread. Plus, its anti-inflammatory effects are an added bonus. Next up, green tea. A staple in many households, green tea is loaded with polyphenols, such as epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG for short. These compounds have been studied for their potential anti-cancer effects. They may help prevent the growth of cancer cells and inhibit tumor formation. Then we have garlic. Known for its pungent aroma, garlic contains sulfur compounds, including allicin. These compounds have been investigated for their potential anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that garlic may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly those related to the digestive system. Let's not forget ginger. This zesty root contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, which have shown promising anti-cancer effects in laboratory studies. Ginger may help induce apoptosis, that's a fancy term for cell death in cancer cells, and inhibit tumor growth. Moving on to mushrooms. Certain varieties such as reishi, shiitake, and maitake are packed with polysaccharides and other compounds that have been studied for their potential anti-cancer properties. These mushrooms may help enhance the immune system and inhibit tumor growth. Next in line is astragalus. This herb, commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine, contains compounds like astragaloside ivor. These compounds have shown potential anti-cancer effects in preclinical studies. Astragalus may help modulate the immune system and inhibit tumor growth. Last but certainly not least, cannabis. This controversial plant and its derivatives, particularly cannabinoids like THC and CBD, have been studied for their potential anti-cancer effects. Some research suggests that cannabinoids may help induce apoptosis in cancer cells and inhibit tumor growth. However, more clinical trials are needed to fully understand their efficacy and safety. While these herbs show promise in laboratory studies, it's important to remember their effects in humans are not always well established. It's essential to approach herbal remedies with caution and always consult with a healthcare professional before using them, especially in cancer treatment. Integrative oncology, which combines conventional medical treatment with complementary therapies like herbal remedies, may offer a holistic approach to cancer care. So the path to health may just lie in your kitchen pantry. But remember, it's always best to tread with care and under professional guidance. Stay tuned for our next segment where we'll discuss some important considerations to keep in mind when using herbal remedies. Before you rush to the store to stock up on these herbs, there are some important considerations. It's essential to remember that while these herbs show promise in laboratory studies, their effectiveness and safety in humans often aren't as well established. Side effects can occur, and these herbal remedies can interact with other medications, potentially leading to unexpected complications. Therefore, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating herbal remedies into your routine, especially if you're considering them for cancer treatment. This is where the concept of integrative oncology comes into play. This holistic approach to cancer care combines conventional medical treatment with complementary therapies like herbal remedies, offering a comprehensive strategy for managing the disease. But remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your treatment plan. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of herbal remedies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in our next video.